Hey guys, Dennis 78382 here in Walmart in Aransas Pass, Texas, and I got a little visitor on my window. Decided to make a landing on my mirror. He's been there for about 2 minutes, and if I had something to give him, I'd give him, because he certainly has worked for it. But I don't really know what kind of bird he is. I would say he's a hungry bird. He looks like he's gotten pretty used to humans. But as I always say, if you want to be around the wildlife, you gotta go to Walmart. Anyway, I thought that was something. I thought he would have flown away by now, but he's here. And it's not like it's quiet around here either, so. Buddy, you came to the wrong fat man for food. You know, if us fat people got food, we eat it. There you go. All right, my friend. I hope everyone out there has a good day. This is Dennis 78382.